Welcome to Business Casual Tips VBA tutorials for beginners. In our second class, we are going to have a new example. As you remember in our last video, we copied this data and we pasted it to sheet 2. Now it is a bit more advanced. We have now two more sheets and we have the data that doesn't fit to the cell. Like if it was like that, you would see all the text, but we cannot see it. And when we paste it to sheet 2 and to sheet 3, we wouldn't see it normally, but with the one VBA code, we will make this data fit into the cell. How? Let's start. Here, as you remember, we activated developer tab, then Visual Basic, and our second program. Actually, we can simply write, I can show you again. It was our first code in last class, and now we are going to write our second. Sub my second program, enter. Between those two rows, we will write our second VBA code. What we are going to do, we copy this data from sheet 1, we will paste it to sheet 2 and to sheet 3. How we are going to do it? There is example here like range A1 to D12 dot copy. But there is also one more way you can do it. It is this function. As you see, the data start from range A1. So we can use this range. We use range because we again mention about a group of cells. Current region dot copy. This is gonna do exactly what that has done. Okay, like range A1 to D12 or range A1 current region. Range A1 if the data goes until H column or until 1000 row, it will take all the data that is connected to range A1. Second thing, we again activate sheet 2. But there is one more way, like we wrote here worksheet to activate. There is one more way. Worksheets, instead of writing 2, we can write simply the name. But when you refer the name of the worksheet, you should use this sign sheet 2 that activate. And it is exactly the same thing with this worksheet 2 activate or worksheets sheet 2 we write the name. If its name was something else, like sales numbers or something else, we would write here sales numbers, exactly the same thing. And we activate sheet 2. What we are going to do, let's see it. We activate it and then we paste it to A1. Paste. By the way, I want to remind you that there is no paste function directly. There is just paste special. Paste special. After that, we again activate one more new worksheet, sheet 3, and then we are going to paste it again. Here, my recommendation is for you to copy and paste it because I am using this kind of stuff in my daily tasks. So we can copy it, we can paste it. What we are going to do, we will just make it sheet 3, right? And then it's going to be again range A1. Okay, and if we click here, we would run the program and we would copy and paste it. But one more thing is missing. One more thing. It is that at the beginning I told you this data doesn't fit to the cell. And when we paste it here, it will not fit. So what we are going to do here, we are going to use another function. Actually here, like when we start the program, we will start from sheet 1 and we can simply use it here too. What we can do, columns, I am going to refer to columns from A to D. A to D dot what we want? We want it automatically fit into the cells. And the function is Autofit here. If I do this and if I start the program, it would just affect this page, sheet 1. We need to do it in those two worksheets. So what we can do simply, we can copy it. Here we activate worksheet 2 and then we paste special. After pasting special, we can auto fit it. And here also, like we activate sheet 3, we paste it. After pasting the data, we are going to auto fit the page. Let's click. As you see, the data came here as I told you, and then it fits now here without any problem. I hope you understand it well. Please try to do it in your computer. Hope to see you